Ini saya akan membuat tugas asking about time and present tense tugas. What time is it now? It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What day is it today? Monday. What is the date today? Today is May 13, 2025. What season is it now? It is the dry season now. Hi Budi, what are you doing?
Working on my assignment. I've already finished most of it, but there are still some parts left unfinished.
Oh, I see. I've already ordered coffee. What one?
Thanks, Rena. I've been studying for 3 hours for tomorrow's exam. I feel a little tired.
Wow, you have been studying for a long time. Good luck with your exam tomorrow.
Amen, thank you, Rena.